Where is this man? His phone is ringing. Sweetheart. Where is this man? Eh? It is important. This is phone. I can say it's called mobile phone. Eh? Just left phone and this must be very important. Wait.
Hello, Buckingham Daddy. This is the 5th time that I'm calling you. I am pissed off right now. Because you brought us to this country in the cold. We were doing fine in Nigeria. I don't know why you brought us here to come and suffer. There's no money in the house. You left only me and the children in the house. I'm tired though. You told me you are doing stay with one woman. Or are you lying to me? Did you not tell her you have a wife and 2 children? And I'm confused. You're driving me crazy. You're very lucky I don't know that place. I will call with the children and introduce myself. Because it seems you're hiding something. Call me back. Call me back. I'm going crazy. There's no heater in this place. Eh? I'm tired. Call me back now.
Hey, am I hearing double, Abi? Eh?
Hello, my dear. Who are you talking to? What are you doing with my phone?
Well, I need to ask you just one question. I need you to look at me and answer me as I'm asking you now, because war is about to start in this house. Are you married?
The fish where you say it's inside fridge, I don't see him.
Who's talking about fish?
I tell you, say that fish I want to.
My friend answer me, are you married?
What do you mean married?
You're not married.
And not be me married, you are.
Don't use question to answer question. I said I will throw this phone, I will break it.
Why go?
Are you married?
Wait now.
Oh,
What do you want to do with my phone?
Want to know?
What happen now?
Me and you today. In this house.
Liar, wait.
In this house, it's me and you.
This is devil though. Liar, wait. What happen?
I will break you.
Liar.
Give me. My friend, stay there. Wait.
No.
No, wait. Hey, I'm respecting your own day.
Give me my phone.
I'm respecting your own day.
Give me my phone.
I'm respecting your own day.
Give me my phone. What's up?
We know now that
Opalenge
is not very strong. You will see what happened.
Give me my phone.
Watch.
Give me my phone.
Watch.
Give me my phone.
Watch.
Give me my phone.
You.
Give me. Yeah.
You are.
Wait up. You want to kill me?
You are who?
Liar.
You will die today.
Wait up. This is devil though.
Devil.
Wait.
Devil kill me.
Wait. Okay, wait. Okay, wait.
Take the phone now.
What happen?
Take the phone. Take the phone. Sit down there. I will tell you what happened. Sit down there.
What happen?
Sit.
What happen now?
Heaven. Heaven, get ready for visitor today.
Give me my phone. Give me my phone.
Wait, oh.
Give me my phone.
Wait, oh. Wait.
What happen?
Wait. You broke my bracelet. See my check. We buy another one.
Wait. Wait till the Wait till the day now. Waiting.
Hello, Buckingham Daddy. This is the 5th time that I'm calling you.
Huh.
I am pissed off right now.
Yeah. Wow.
You brought us to this country in the cold.
Yeah.
We were doing fine in Nigeria. I don't know why you brought us here.
Ọmọbìnrin yìí pa mí.
There's no money in the house.
Ọmọbìnrin yìí bàtẹ ó bàtọ̀ tá mi
You
jẹ́.
better shut up and listen.
I'm tired though. You told me you are doing stay with one woman.
Yeah,
Or are you lying to me?
Me, one woman.
You have a wife and 2 children. I'm confused.
Me, one woman. Me, one woman.
I don't know that.
See,
I will
I
call
beg.
the children
I-
and
Wait.
introduce myself. Because it seems you're hiding something.
Shay.
Call me back. I'm going crazy.
You.
Ọmọbìnrin ìbátan tá mi jẹ́.
You.
Ọmọbìnrin ìbátan tá mi
I'm
jẹ́.
speak. Don't speak Yoruba, people girl. Stop that nonsense.
Wait.
Me.
Wait, Layo, wait. I beg.
I will. Today I will finish.
I beg go.
Let me.
I beg go.
Nonsense.
I
You.
beg go.
You.
I beg go.
You.
Wait.
You.
But wait
There is
now.
nothing you will say. Oh, hey.
Look here.
Heaven,
This
are
one-
you ready?
This one when
Bring
you dey
your
shout so.
angels to
This
come
one
and
when you
carry
dey shout so. Now market we buy from each other. Oh.
Which market? You and who?
Shebi you two you get children for somebody before me and you marry now.
So you know that one.
But
Because of state, you still state.
But look here.
Okay,
Man
I will
and
show
woman
you.
na black market we dey sell for
You
each
are
other.
going back to where you're coming from.
Na
You.
black market we dey sell for each other.
Move.
Wetin you dey talk? You be young girl.
You
Wait.
will kill you today.
Wait.
Which black market? Now you go see white market.
Man and woman na black market we dey sell. Yeah. Don't go. Liar, no kill me.
You, I will kill you.
Liar.
I go show you that people.
Liar. Liar.
Because I'm Belenga.
Liar, no kill me. Wait now. Wait now. Don't be selfish. Don't be selfish. Don't be selfish, oh. Don't be selfish, oh. Shame me and marry you as a young. Hey, my head.
Your head.
My head.
Today I will kill your
My head.
You go and bring her here and I'm going to bring her.
Yeah.
Go and bring her.
Somebody help, oh.
I will give you head.
Somebody help, oh. Yeah. My head.
You are who?
My head.
You are a dead man walking. Hey.
My head. Hey,
You
look
still don't
here.
want to say the truth.
Look here.
You still don't want to say the truth.
But I not marry you as a young girl now. Shebi you two you get children.
Oh, but you married me for stay, abi?
But I'll be your husband now.
Who's your husband?
I beg.
Who be your husband?
I beg.
Which husband though?
Look, na black market we dey sell for each other.
You
Men and women na black market we dey
today
sell
you
for
will
each
see
other.
white market.
Okay.
Today, happen.
Yeah. Hey, my phone.
You are still talking.
You throw my phone.
You are still talking.
You throw my phone.
You are still talking. Yes. Let me. Today. Yeah, you will not have people again.
You won't kill me. So you go get back you.
You will die.
Yeah.
You will die. Get out. Get out. You are saying here.
Liar.
Before I open
You won't
my
kill
eye.
me. You won't kill me.
Before I open my eye.
You won't kill me.
1, 2,
Okay.
3. You are saying here.
Okay.
You see.
Which time we go where with this phone?
We go go. But wetin people bring you here now, wetin I call you for, dey different.
Waiting me that.
Okay, like, abeg take me. You get another one apart from Lion.
What do you mean?
Because
Waiting happen.
Lion call me, oh.
Liar. Waiting she say yeah.
He reported me to me. He say wetin he hear. Say no, I no believe am.
Waiting she say I hear.
Okay, you get woman wey you carry come from Nigeria with children.
Yes, na my wife. And those children are my children. So waiting again.
So you get another wife from Nigeria with children when you carry come and you no tell the one where you dey stay with here when give you paper.
Mr. Johnson, which one be this way you dey talk? Do I supposed to tell her? Look, I'm a typical African man. Typical African man.
Leave this your typical African man thing all the time. Typical African man, typical African. Wetin you don't gain for this typical African man?
What do you mean waiting I don't get? She no get children for the person where she married before.
She not tell you.
And she tell me, but we can't get married with that. She no fit get children for me. My wife will come born children for me. Wait there for Nigeria. I come bring her in. That one come become sin.
Why you not tell am? Na big sin. I bet not the talk. Na sin.
Let me tell you.
Why you not tell am say I get wife and children for Nigeria? Oh.
I'm not supposed to tell them that one. I'm the typical African man. I'm supposed to get authority on top of the wife where I marry. Let me tell you, women and men, now black market we dey sell for each other. She sold black market to me, I buy it. I sell her back to her. So waiting come there, wait the problem.
Okay, I'm like,
Eh?
this black market, if ever you
Waiting be black market, no be for me. My wife and children, they don't enter this country. If she still want me, I go see the marry her. If she don't want me, my wife and children they there. I go meet her, man. We go to continue our life.
So that game where you they play now, it suit you.
Which
You
game?
like the game.
Not be game be that. Now true, now how they talk. Not be game be that.
If they do this to your sister or any of your relatives, you go like her.
Wait, oh, now she you go support on me.
Me, I don't support anybody, but when you do bad, I dey always tell you when you do. As a good friend, if you do bad, I not tell you.
My
It's
friend,
not good for me.
leave that thing. I know how to control my house. Let's go where we are going, I beg.
Buckingham Daddy, for the last time,
Let's go
make
now.
you not take prison play. Oh.
Which prison?
You know the law for this country.
Which law? Which
Okay.
law? I'm an African man.
African man.
No,
let's
no
go.
Oyinbo law go come catch me.
Hello, Anderson. Why is it taking you this long to call now? I told you several times. The Mugu does not come here. If he's coming, I know what time it comes and I know what time it goes. The children are not at home. You have to come so that the children won't lose sight of you. In Nigeria, we're always together. Now you're here. I don't know. Why are you far away? We haven't seen you in a long time. The Mugu doesn't come. You keep saying, your husband. Whose husband? I beg, please. Don't joke. It's not my husband. You are my husband. I have the 2 children for you now. Hey, I told you. Come anytime. Yes. He does not come here. The Mugu does not come here.
Tia! Tia!
Come back.
You call me Mugu.
Who? What?
You call me Mugu. Wait. You mean I'm not the father to those 2 children? Tia! I'm not the father to those 2 children.
Did you hear me?
What do you mean did I hear you? Where are the children?
They've gone to school now. Stop shouting. Why are you shouting?
Will you stop? Who is the father to those 2 children?
Eh?
What do you mean, eh? Can't you hear me?
You are the father now.
Whose father?
Eh?
I heard everything you say. You say me, I'm a Mugu. Who is the father of those 2 children?
Eh?
I said, who is the father?
You now.
Which who now? You call me Mugu.
Did you hear everything?
I heard everything
And
you
then
said.
that's your problem.
Eh?
You are the one sneaking now. You shouldn't sneak on people. It's rude.
Okay. You mean those 2 children I've been spending my money on all this while? And I sponsor you and those 2 children into this country. I'm not the biological father to those children.
Whoa. Story. Stop giving me story. What's your problem?
Ah!
Calm down now.
Ah!
Whoa.
Ah!
Don't.
Ah! Ah!
Help! Okay, then I don't want to go to jail. Don't die here. Go and die at home. Go. Don't. Okay, Daddy.
Okay, and Daddy, how are you?
I'm fine.
Just to give you the result of your blood pressure
Thank you,
is
miss.
135 over 80. And your temperature is 35.5, which is very okay. Everything about your blood pressure and temperature is fine. Everything is very well.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
So the doctor will be coming in to see you. Yeah. Are you all right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
That's okay.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, doctor.
Good. I'm glad to hear that. Yeah, how's he doing? How's his BP and temperature?
His BP is very okay. 135.80 and his temperature is 35.5.
I'm good. I'm glad to hear that.
Yes, sir.
That's good. Lot of improvement. There's a lot of improvement.
Yeah.
I'm just going to do further check. It's a bit cold. Yeah, I'm just going to place it on your chest. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's very good. That's very good. There's a lot of improvement there.
Thank you.
Yeah, good. I think, you should be able to go home today. Yeah.
Thank you.
For what I've seen so far, what I've gathered. Can we prepare his discharge letter, please?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
All right, sir. I just do just that.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
We can discharge him. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, doctor.
Hello, doctor.
How are you, Mr. Johnson?
Oh, hi. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Good to see you.
How is my friend doing?
Oh, yes, he's doing fine. There's a lot of improvements.
Wow.
Yes.
Thank God, I can see that my friend's face is shining today. Buckingham Daddy is smiling. Thank God, though.
Thank you, Mr. Johnson.
You see yourself now?
Mr. Johnson, see my life. Mr. Johnson.
You see what you do yourself?
See my life. Oh.
All the advice when I give you, you never listen to me. When I dey tell you, say this life where you dey live, say the thing go backfire, you say no. Say na black market. Who the black market? Not be the price you dey pay so. You see your black market? You see where I land you?
Hi. Women wicked, oh. Women wicked, oh.
Now women wicked, I mean, are you wicked? When you do this thing to somebody when bring you from Nigeria, give you paper, you dey pay evil with good. You see where I land you? You good like that? You think say what you do, is that right? Now, see your life. Pikin, you no get. Where you go start from now for your age? You just be like bottle. You no get pikin. The one way you carry come from Nigeria, think say na you born. You see? Your eye don't open now. He saying no, he say the pikin not be your own. He say not you get the pikin.
Hi. Where I want to start from now, Mr. Johnson.
You dey ask me who I go ask. Now you I go ask now. When I call you, I beg you, I say, my friend, they know they do life like that. You say you be African man, you dey knock your chest. I'm an African man. Don't talk to me like that. I know what I'm doing. You see yourself in a hospital bed?
This one, who then say they won't discharge me this afternoon now. Where am I going to?
African man. Upon all the things when this woman do for you, you pay am back with evil. It don't happen now. So now, where you go Congo now? You know, say my house dey tight. I live with my family. I'm not going to put you for house.
I'm thinking of maybe I'll go look for bed and breakfast. So, pending the time that I will find a way to sort myself out. But what do you think?
That one is good. Okay.
Till I find a way to settle myself. I'll sort myself up. Or better still, maybe you can help me go beg Lion. Please.
Who? Me?
Lion. Make you accept me back.
Make me go beg. I better talk another thing. No talk. I know they go. I sure say then send you, make you kill me. I know the house. Make me go beg who? Liar.
Mr. Johnson, you be my friend. I still love him. Make if you help me go beg him.
No only you go. Friend, but you see this one? Count me out. I not go. I not fit to do him.
I beg. I still adjust myself. Make lion no go spoil my paper for home office. I beg.
Na paper you did. Oh, you think that one before you do what you do? For paper, you see now, begin you not get. Wife, you not get paper. Ah, that one don't go. So no two ways about them.
I beg now.
And I say I not go. As you don't make suggestion now, make we go look for bed and breakfast, make you pay. Stay there for now. But for paper, me, I know they go beg for anything.
Mr. Johnson, do this for me, please.
I know fit. Sorry. I know fit to do it.
Okay.
Hey! CINCROMA Entertainment Television. Buckingham Daddy. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, yo. Buckingham Daddy, yo.